Today, I'm gonna go over 5 healthy habits that I go by on a daily basis that's helped me get to the physique that I have today. So let's get started. Number 1, don't listen to people like me. Wait, what? Well, I should just say half of the people like me, aka fitfluencers, even though right now I'm just some nobody in front of a camera, following that person that's telling you to, eat this 900 calorie shake to burn body fat, or do this exercise to melt the body fat away. I can tell you right now, if you're trying to lose weight, get, a 6-pack abs, like so, doing those kind of things, it's not gonna work. Now, am I one of those people? I suggest you stay throughout the entire video to find out. Also subscribe and turn on that bell to find out in the future as well. Number 2, eat what you want. Now, I'm not saying to eat high processed garbage like fast food, and all that kind of stuff on a daily basis, left, right, and center, and sideways all day, every day. I'm saying to eat foods that you like, that are nutrient dense, that have good carbs, proteins, and fats, that you can stick to on a daily basis, to a point where you're not going to starve yourself or, torture yourself by eating garbage that you don't like, that somebody's telling you to do. So find what you like and stick to that plan. Eating canned tuna for dinner or a tub of Greek yogurt for dinner every single day because your favorite fitfluencer is telling you that they do that, or they claim to do that, but you're hating your life because of it, it's not a good idea. But what is a good idea is to subscribe and turn on that bell and leave a comment down below. Number 3 is to train hard. Now, what's training hard? That's going to be relative for everyone because we're at different stages of our training journey. But the best way that I can put training hard when you're trying to build muscle, it's when you're doing that set and you're repping out, but your body starts to tell you, man, this ain't it, man, it's not it. But your mind tells you you can continue to do more with proper form. Keep on going. Now, you might hear studies that say this is the perfect set range and rep range to build muscle. I'm not going to refute that kind of stuff, but I will say they'll use those kind of studies and that kind of information as a foundation and not the be-all end-all. And if you want, you can use me or this channel as a benchmark, so subscribe and turn on that bell and leave a comment down below. Number 4, bump supplements. I say that because 95 to 99% of them are absolute BS. There are a few out there in the market that are actual beneficial, where studies have shown that they're useful, but most of them are total BS. You have a lot of fitfluencers out there selling you pre-post enter workout, take this and your 3rd set and 12th rep of an exercise. It's total BS. Don't buy it, especially if you're a beginner. What you should focus on is finding foods that you like and enjoy, that have good carbs, proteins, and fats, that are minimally processed. Once you get more advanced in your training, then you can look into finding supplements that are actually beneficial and where studies have shown that they actually help with your muscle building and performance. And you can use this channel as a tool to help your performance and muscle building, so subscribe, turn on that bell, and leave a comment down below. Number 5 is consistency. Consistency in training hard, eating the right way, and not following the BS out there. That's what it boils down to. I know it's boring, I know it's frustrating. I have no, workout that's gonna magically burn the belly fat away, or supplement, or a product out there. I have no discount code. All I have is consistency and the honest truth. And here on this channel, we try to empower beginner and moderate fitness enthusiasts and people in general, at home, in nutrition, and at the gym, with the goal of building muscle. So if you like that, hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell, leave a comment down below. And always remember to make mirrors your canvas, waste your paintbrush, sweat your paint, and may your drawing always be beautifully unfinished.